Hi, welcome to the Heart Handmade UK YouTube channel. Today I am sharing an art journal flip through, but first I want you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video if you know anybody who loves art journaling and would be inspired. The first question that I know I'm going to get, that journal is an Art by Marlene journal from StudioLight, and I will create a link in the description or around the video depending on what platform this is on. As you can see, my current subscriber goal is 1,000 subscribers, and right now I have 724. So if you would be amazing, I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel. You can definitely expect more art journal flip through videos because I have tons. I've been doing it for mental health reasons since I became disabled and chronically ill. I will also add a link about me in the description or around the video, so you can just find out a little more mush mouth, a little more about me and my brand. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share with your friends.